If you're considering buying from GooVision Technology Company Limited, there are a few things you should know before you make that purchase. You've probably heard a lot about their products and how they compare to others on the market, but are they really worth your investment? Stick around until the end, and I'll break down everything you need to know so you can make an informed decision. Plus, I've got a special offer for you that'll let you try GooVision's technology completely free. Just check the first link below for more details. So let's dive in. First thing you'll want to know is that GooVision positions itself as a tech company focused on providing innovative solutions for businesses looking to improve their digital presence. Now, you may be wondering how they stack up against their competition. Well, when compared to some of the bigger names in the space, like Google and Microsoft, GooVision doesn't have the same reach or brand recognition, but here's where they shine. They've managed to carve out a niche by focusing on providing highly customizable software and services that cater to specific industry needs. This approach allows them to deliver a more tailored experience for businesses, especially when it comes to data analytics and AI-driven solutions. Next thing you'll want to consider is their customer support. Many users have reported that their customer service is responsive and quite helpful, which can be a huge deal breaker for tech products. Compared to larger tech companies where support can be slow or frustrating, GooVision seems to prioritize timely resolutions, something you don't always get from their more well-known competitors. But, like any company, their support isn't perfect. There have been a few complaints about the response time in certain regions, but overall, it's more positive than not. The third thing to note is their pricing structure. GooVision's products tend to be priced competitively, offering a good balance between affordability and features. You won't find yourself overpaying for extra capabilities you don't need. In comparison, some of their competitors might have a similar offering, but at a significantly higher cost. If you're on a budget but still want a powerful tech solution, this could be a game changer for your business. The fourth thing you should know is about the range of features. GooVision's platform offers a wide array of tools, from business analytics and cloud solutions to AI-driven automation. While they might not have the same vast ecosystem of apps that larger companies offer, their tools are powerful and focused on efficiency, making them highly attractive for smaller businesses or startups that need flexibility and scalability. And that's something you don't always get with other major players. Those tools can sometimes feel bloated with unnecessary features. Next, let's talk about ease of use. This is where GooVision truly stands out compared to some of the more complex systems from other companies. Whether you're a tech expert or a beginner, their interface is designed to be user-friendly, which is crucial when you're trying to get the most out of your investment. If you're a business owner who doesn't have a lot of time to get up to speed, this is a huge benefit. The sixth thing you'll want to consider is their security measures. When you're dealing with sensitive business data, security is a top priority. GooVision has a robust security framework that ensures your data stays protected. In comparison, while big tech companies like Google offer excellent security, they also deal with constant public scrutiny, and data breaches have happened. GooVision's smaller scale allows them to be more agile and responsive, which could offer an advantage for your business in terms of proactive security measures. And the final thing, if you're looking for flexibility, you'll love GooVision. They offer a variety of pricing plans, and if you're just getting started, you can try out their software for free. This gives you the chance to test out the technology before committing, which is a rare option when you compare them to some of the other heavyweights in the industry that often require a long-term commitment upfront. If you're sold on what I've shared, then you'll definitely want to try GooVision Technology Company Limited's products for yourself. To get the best deal and exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description below to access the free trial and discover if it's the right fit for you.